The modern workplace is in constant motion, and the tools we use to do our jobs are changing faster than ever. By 2030, nearly 40% of today's core work skills will change, meaning 60% of the workforce will need retraining. But despite this, only 16% of executives consider their employees AI-ready. Adapting to this shift doesn't require a computer science degree. Educational research shows that general AI literacy, the ability to interact with and evaluate these tools, is what actually supports job performance. Integrating a 4-step task cycle into your daily routine provides a structured way to build that literacy while keeping your data secure. Step 1 in this workflow is securing your data. You have to do this before you ever open an AI interface. Generative AI systems process everything you feed them. If you input personally identifiable information or confidential company metrics, you risk exposing sensitive data to a public machine learning model. Here is how you handle it. Manually scan your document and strip out real names, phone numbers, and financial figures. Swap them out with generic placeholders, like a bracketed tag that says client name or revenue. Proactive data sanitization is the mandatory first rule for responsible AI usage in any corporate environment. Now that your data is scrubbed, we can apply this to your job search, specifically preparing your resume to match a target job description. You have likely heard the claim that an autonomous AI robot automatically rejects the vast majority of applications before a human ever sees them. That is a myth. Look at this pie chart. Recent survey data shows that only about 19% of U.S. hiring managers use AI to auto-reject applications. The overwhelming majority of resumes are reviewed by actual people. Applicant tracking systems are essentially human-configured filing cabinets. Include the specific keywords the hiring manager cares about. Use an AI tool to identify gaps by pasting your scrubbed resume alongside the job description to extract missing terms. Once the AI gives you that list, take those identified keywords and manually write them into your work experience where they authentically fit. This human-centric strategy delivers the exact alignment recruiters are searching for when they open their database. Beyond the job hunt, you will use AI for daily workplace execution. Instead of treating it like a search engine, think of the AI as a collaborative assistant. Getting useful results from these models requires prompt literacy, the ability to clearly communicate your exact needs to the system. This trend line shows why that skill matters. Empirical workplace studies demonstrate that employees who master generative AI literacy experience a significant 0.68 path coefficient boost in their overall job performance. To build an effective prompt, you need to set explicit constraints. Specify the exact target audience, what the desired tone should be, and the specific format needed. Setting deliberate, constrained boundaries bridges the gap between raw AI capability and professional-grade workplace output. Even with excellent prompting, raw AI outputs are inherently flawed. They should never be copied and pasted without being strictly reviewed. Models can produce hallucinations, which are completely invented facts, and they frequently reproduce inherited societal biases. That is why you need a human oversight checklist. Step 1 is cross-referencing every generated date, statistic, and claim against reliable external sources. Step 2 is scanning the text to identify and neutralize overly gendered language or assumed stereotypes. The final step is manually revising the draft. Focus on rewriting the opening and closing sentences to inject your own authentic human voice. Critical human judgment is your ultimate safeguard. It ensures your communication remains trustworthy and reliable. By following this process, you end up with 2 tangible assets: a keyword-optimized resume and a safe, accurate workplace document. This diagram shows the complete AI-ready task cycle. It is a single, repeatable framework. Secure your data, optimize your keywords, use collaborative prompting, and apply human verification. Consistently applying these steps provides you with specific evidence of digital adaptability that you can highlight in job interviews and performance reviews. Mastering this workflow means you are no longer just reacting to new technology. You are using it as a deliberate tool to support your professional goals.